In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix delay on Pro Tools. So there's a few things you can do. I'm going to show you the most common ones. Now, the first thing you have to do is basically disable heavy plugins, okay? So disable them or bypass them. So if you have any plugins in here, for example, like some reverbs or something similar, you can go ahead and just click on right-click bypass, or you could also just click on this dot over here and click on no insert, and it's going to cancel that specific plugin and remove it from your track. That's the first way you can do. Then for mixing, you want to ensure that delay compensation is enabled under options. So go to options up top, you have delay compensation down here. If it's enabled, you are good to go. And then probably the most important tip over here is going to be the setup and then playback engine. And you can see H/W buffer size over here, okay? So this is your hardware buffer size. If you can, in my case, I can't, but if you can, lower this to as much as you can, maybe even to like 64 or 128 if you have those options. If you do, that's going to be amazing, but if you don't, then just go as low as you can, okay? In my case, 256, not ideal, but still better than 520 or 1024, okay? So go as low as you can, 64, 128, that's going to also help your delay, okay? So those are kind of the tips I have for you. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.